Demand is to U.S. America is very strong, especially with the semiconductor businesses. We call it the Southern Belt is very strong. But Korean people was locked down for so long, and their demand to travel is so high. I mean, right now we're looking at explosion of traffic to Japan and Southeast Asia. And we expect strong demand to Europe this summer and also to US and Canada as well. So we're hoping to add what we were supposed to get this year, the aircraft. We haven't gotten yet, but we hope to add it before the season.
You know, you just mentioned semiconductors, and that really is tied to the cargo. But in the latest earnings call, I believe your company talked about some uncertainties on that front in terms of demand being sustained in 2024.
Yeah.
What are you seeing? Because the market is very bullish about semiconductors and AI.
I don't think the demand directly reflects to cargo demand. Semiconductor is very strong market right now, but it will take some time to come into the air cargo market. But you know, we see a big growth in it, and there's a lot of growth capacity in cargo, air cargo market. So I expect to see that relatively soon.
What about China, in and outbound?
China is definitely an important market for us, and passenger traffic has been recovering, although it's been slower than we hoped. But we expect more demand capacity growing within this year to China, and more traffic coming from from Korea, but also U.S. and Europe as well. So hopefully the economy stays strong and it keeps up the capacity.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
What about supply chain pains? Because a lot of geopolitical risks, labor shortages, raw material deficits. I mean, this is really the industry story.
Yeah.
How are you trying to mitigate those risks? Are you seeing any signs of those pain points getting better?
Well, the biggest pain for us was getting our aircraft in on time, and the aircraft we were waiting for, we've been waiting for over a year now, and we got the final news that we'll get it next month.
Yeah.
But supply chain crunch has affected our market overall for everybody. But I believe we'll come back this year. It will be a bit better, and hopefully it will recover to normal again because it's been very tough for everybody.